What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're currently holding RGC stock, you may want to listen to what I have to say here in today's video, because today's news may actually help this short squeeze continue. Stick around, we're going to talk about it. But before we do so, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. Early this morning, I alerted LYRA for the entry price of only $14, with that first price target being $16 plus. And as you guys can see here, the stock has ran as high as $39.53. Again, ladies and gentlemen, just from our $14 alert entry early this morning. But that's not all. I also alerted INM for the entry price of $3.35, with that first price target being $3.70 plus. And as you guys can see here from the chart this morning, INM has hit a high of $9.43, ultimately reaching and breaching our latest price target of $8.80. So again, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server. The sign up link will be pinned in the comment section below, and see you guys there. Now, right when things started to look as though that RGC's short squeeze was coming towards an end and or slowing down due to the high share prices and retail investors not being able to buy shares in bulk, well, that just changed here, ladies and gentlemen. In fact, RGC just announced that they will be initiating a 38-for-1 stock split, with the current share price that we see here today of $843 here in today's pre-market trading. That will cause the share price to trade around $22, and a $22 share price will give retail investors the power again to buy shares in bulk, ultimately adding fuel to the fire here in RGC's short squeeze. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're still holding RGC, can you do me one huge favor? Comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. Now, as you all know, if you were a part of our Discord, then you actually caught this RGC alert in real time. As you guys can see here, I alerted RGC back on March 13th for the entry price of only $6.85. And if we take a brief look and just check out the day chart here, as you guys can see, that was on this day. Since then, the stock has been performing pretty darn well, and with the share price going back under $50, I do feel as though that we're going to see yet another cycle here in RGC's rally. But another thing that we do have to pay close attention to is that this share float is going to increase a lot. All right, it's going to increase by 38 times what we see here today. So it's going to be slightly under 29 million shares will be available for trade here in RGC. So it's not going to, so basically what we currently see here today, it doesn't take a lot of buying or selling to sway the share price here in RGC, but that is going to also change here once that stock split is initiated. So again, if you haven't already, don't forget to consider joining our Discord server. Don't forget to smash that like button, and may the gains be with you.